kid has this Mitsubishi with yellow headlights. We're gonna try the old Meguiar's treatment. So they're all funky and yellow, and somebody's tried clear coating them at some point. So we're gonna mask it off. Got a little water, got a little wet sand. This comes with a sanding block, 2 grades of sandpaper, some plastic polish, and then a sealant to go on there afterwards. That's its promise, before and after. I got it taped off so we don't get crap all over the finish. Not that the finish is great, this car needs to be buffed out anyway, but why make it look weird? The rougher sandpaper. And I think the concept is that most headlights these days come clear coated, and over time that clear coat turns yellow. So you need to sand it off, start over. If you don't use a clear coat on it, it doesn't last very long. And if you use the wrong clear coat on it, the UV light will quickly affect it, and it'll look just as bad as it did before you started. In between sandings, you're supposed to clean it off. It says with a microfiber, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use these blue shop towels. It should look worse before it looks better. That's the 1000 grit. You can tell because it says 1000. Now we're going to step it to 3000. Stick that on there. Get it wet. Go to town. Now it says in the instructions to do this in up and down motions. I tend to change up. I go up and down, back and forth. You can already see improvements with just the sanding. That yellow hazy mess versus this still hazy but less yellow mess. Now we're going to get the buffing compound out and go at it with that. So now we get the buffer wheel and this Meguiar's plastic polish. Put a little bit of this on the pad. Put the pad down flat on the headlight, go to town. Wow, that's making a hell of a difference. The last step is to clear coat it. Now take a look, that's just from the polishing. I haven't clear coated it yet. That's the next step. But here's what she looks like now. Here's the kind of crap we started with. This hazy, gross mess to this beautiful, shiny mess. So, clearer, but hazy. Now we go at it again with the polish. You're supposed to keep it fairly flat, like a buffing machine. That's why if you had a buffer, this would probably be an ideal use for it. The last step is to use this clear coat on this applicator pad. Just wipe it on. Don't go crazy with it. It should even out. Let it dry. Well, that's it for today in the little Mitsubishi that could. Hopefully the kid will be able to see a little better. And until next time, this is Clint Searcy saying like and subscribe to Scavenger Type.